morning students. So today is the last class for not-for-profit organization and today we would be working out the last sum. So take down illustration 38. Following is the receipt and payment account of Agar Sen Club. Under the receipt side, first thing we have balance brought down. So this is our opening cash balance. Then we have subscription. In 17-18 it is 6,000. That would be written in our opening balance sheet. 18-19 in bracket they have given 90%. It is 90,000. So for 90% if it is 90,000, for 100 it is how much? So we get 90,000 into 100 by 90, which is 1 lakh. So the actual subscription was 1 lakh rupees, but we have received only 90,000. So there is an outstanding subscription of 10,000, which would be added in our income and expenditure account under subscription, and once again it would be written in our closing balance sheet. 1920, this is subscription received in advance, which would be written in our closing balance sheet. Then we have entrance fees. 17-18 in our opening balance sheet as outstanding entrance fees, and 18-19 in our income and expenditure account. Then we have hall rent, income and expenditure account. Locker rent we have 40,000, which includes 10,000 of previous year. So that 10,000 will be returned in our opening balance sheet, and again it will be deducted in our income and expenditure account under locker rent. Why would it be deducted again? Because that 40,000 includes 10,000 of the previous year. Then we have interest received on government papers, income and expenditure account. General donation, income and expenditure account. Donation for prize fund. In case we have prize fund in the problem, it would be added in our prize fund in the closing balance sheet. Interest received on prize fund investment, again it would be added in the closing balance sheet under prize fund. Next, under the payment side we have salary, income and expenditure account. Printing and stationery, income and expenditure account. Defense bonds, closing balance sheet. Defense bonds is same like a government bonds. Rent, income and expenditure account. Help to needy students, income and expenditure account. Purchase of 6% government papers, closing balance sheet. In the bracket they have given us, we had purchased it on 1st September 2018. So the interest would be calculated from September, October, November, December, January, February, March for 7 months. So on the receipt side, out of the interest received, we have received 1,500. So we need to find out what is the interest accrued in our government papers. Price awarded, again this will be deducted in our prize fund in our closing balance sheet. Then we have balance carried down, that is our closing bank balance in our income and expenditure account. Then in the additional information we have, the club paid 3 months rent in advance, both in the beginning and at the end of the year. So under the payment side we have rent. How much is the rent? 60,000. This 60,000 is for the whole year. So for 1 month, how much will be our rent? 60,000 divided by 12. That is 5,000. So the club has paid advance rent for 3 months. That is 5,000 into 3, which is 15,000. So this 15,000 will be returned in our opening balance sheet as well as our closing balance sheet, because both in the beginning and at the end of the year rent has been paid in advance. Then on 31st March 2019, salary outstanding was 10,000 and locker rent outstanding was 8,000. So this will be added in a income and expenditure account and also written in a closing balance sheet. The club owns sports material of the value of 5 lakh on 31st March 2018. This will be written in our opening balance sheet. This was valued at 4,50,000 on 31st March 2019. This will be written in our closing balance sheet. As the amount of opening and closing balance is not the same, we need to find out the difference amount and write it in our income and expenditure account on our debit side. Next we have stock includes sports material of rupees 30,000 which is written off. So we had a stock of 30,000 rupees which is written off. Written off means cancelled. So this will be written in our income and expenditure account on our debit side. Then following balances appeared on 31st March 2018. Prize fund. This will be written in our opening balance sheet, liability side. 8% prize fund investment. It will be written in our opening balance sheet under our asset side. Why on our asset side? Because it's an investment and any investment is always written on the asset side. So let's work out the problem. Illustration 38. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2018. We have liabilities, amount, assets, amount. So first thing we have is cash at bank. That is our opening bank balance, 1,60,500. Then we have subscription outstanding. Under our receipt side 2017-18, it is 6,000. Then we have entrance fees outstanding. Receipt side 2017-18 under our entrance fees 20,000. Then we have locker rent outstanding. Under our receipt side, 2 locker rent we have 40,000. In the bracket they have given us including 10,000 for 17-18. So 10,000. Then we have prepaid rent. Adjustment point number 1. The club paid 3 months rent in advance. So 15,000. Then we have sports material. Adjustment point number 3. 50,000. Then we have 8% prize fund investment. Adjustment point number 4. 1,50,000. Then in the liability side we have prize fund. Adjustment point number 4. 1,50,000. Anything else in a liability? No. So we total the asset side of balance sheet. What is our total? 8,61,500. 8,61,500. So our balancing figure would be capital fund, that is 7,11,500. So clear with the opening balance sheet. Next we go on to our income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2019. Debit side, credit side, expenditure amount, income amount. So first in the receipt and payment account, let's go to the payment side. We have 2 salary, 60,000. Do we have outstanding salary? Yes. Adjustment point number 2. So add outstanding salary 10,000. So how much do we get? 70,000. Next we have to printing and stationery 12,000. Then we have to rent. How much is the rent? 60,000 less prepaid rent 15,000. We get 45,000. Then we add prepaid rent 15,000. So how much do we get? 60,000. Why have I deducted and added the prepaid rent? They have said that we have prepaid rent both at the beginning and end of the year. So whatever is at the beginning of the year is the prepaid rent for next year which we receive for this year. Which means it is our current year's prepaid rent. That is the reason I have added it. And at the closing of the year, it means for next year, that is 2020 year, we are paying it in the current year, which is of the next year. So I am deducting that prepaid rent. Next we have to help to needy students. That is 42,000. Then we have to sports material consumed. Do we have any purchases of sports material? No. We just have opening stock. How much is the opening stock? 50,000 and less closing stock. What's the closing stock? 45,000. So our sports material consumed is 5,000. Next, adjustment point number 3 we have to sports material return of. How much is it? 30,000. Next we go on to our receipt side or receipt and payment account. First thing we have is buy subscription. How much is it? 90,000 of 1819. Add outstanding subscription. How much is it? 10,000. I had shown you how did we get that 10,000 in the beginning of the problem. So total subscription we get is 1 lakh. Next we have buy entrance fees 80,000. Buy hall rent 10,000. Buy locker rent. How much is it? 40,000. Less outstanding locker rent of 2018. In the bracket in the locker rent they have given us 10,000. So we get 30,000. Add outstanding locker rent of 2019. Adjustment point number 2. It is 8,000. So our total locker rent is 38,000. Then we have buy interest on government papers. How much have they given us? 1,500. But what is the total interest amount? 1 lakh into 6 by 100 into 7 by 12. So our total interest received should be 3,500. But we have only received 1,500. So add interest accrued. How much is it? 2,000 becomes our interest accrued. Then we have by general donations 75,000. So which side is more, debit side or credit side? Our credit side is more. The total is 3,06,500. 3,06,500. So what is the balancing figure? It is surplus. Balancing figure 42,500. So I would be giving you the note after this sum on subscription, on our interest received on government papers, and also on prize fund investment. Last we have is our closing balance sheet. So balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. We have liabilities, amount, assets, amount. So first on the asset side we have cash at bank. How much is it? 1,16,000. Our closing bank balance. Then we have outstanding subscription 10,000. Outstanding locker rent, adjustment point number 2, 8,000. Prepaid rent 15,000. Defense bonds 1,20,000. 6% government papers. On the payment side 1 lakh. Interest accrued on government papers 2,000. Then we have sports material. What is the closing balance they have given us? 4,50,000. Then in the adjustment they have given us 30,000 is written off or not usable. So we will deduct that 30,000 from our sports material. So we get 4,20,000. Then we have 8% prize fund investment. We get 1,50,000. So in this 8% prize fund investment, we also have interest. How do we calculate that? 1,50,000 into 8 by 100. So how much do we get? 12,000. But in the receipt and payment account they have given us, interest received on prize fund is 9,000. So what is the remaining balance? 3,000 is our interest accrued on prize fund investment, which would be written in the asset side. Interest received on prize fund investment 3,000. You might be thinking why I did not write it in the income and expenditure account like I have written interest on government papers. The reason is because they have already given us prize fund in the adjustments. So anything related to prize fund will be added or deducted in the prize fund in our closing balance sheet, except for prize fund investment, which would be written on the asset side. So once again the interest accrued on prize fund investment would be added in the prize fund on the liability side of our closing balance sheet. Then what do we have on the liability side? Outstanding salary 10,000. Subscription received in advance 8,000 under our receipt side of subscription 1920. Then we have prize fund. How much is it? 1,50,000. Then we add donation for prize fund 50,000. Then we add interest received on prize fund 9,000. We add interest accrued 50,000. We get 2,12,000 and we deduct price awarded. In our payment side of receipt and payment account, it is 40,000. We get 1,72,000. Last we have is capital fund. How much is the capital fund? 7,11,500. Add surplus 42,500. How much do we get? 7,54,000. So what's the total of our balance sheet? 9,44,000. 9,44,000. So clear with the problem? So take down the working note. First one, calculation of outstanding subscription for 2018-19. 100% subscription. Under that, in the bracket, 90,000 into 100 by 90, 1 lakh, less 90% subscription received, 90,000. 10,000 is our outstanding subscription for 18-19. Write down the second one. Calculation of prepaid rent. Next line. Rent for 12 months, 60,000. Rent per month, 60,000 divided by 12 is equal to 5,000. Therefore, prepaid rent for 3 months. Next line, 5,000 into 3, 15,000. Write down the third one. Calculation of interest accrued on government papers interest for 7 months, open the bracket, 1 lakh into 6 by 100 into 7 by 12, 3,500 less interest received 1,500. Balancing figure 2,000 is interest accrued. Take down the next one. Fourth one. Calculation of interest accrued on prize fund investments. Under that we have total interest on prize fund investment. Next line in bracket, 1,50,000 into 8 by 100, that is 12,000, less interest received. Under a receipt and payment account, receipt side, 3,000, 9,000. So the balancing figure is 3,000, that is interest accrued. So we are done with the problem. Tomorrow onwards we shall be starting with a new chapter, that is partnership.